Dell is a special boy, isn't he?
Well, yeah, that's what my mom always tells me. Hey,
And who's this lady wearing the helmet?
that's my girlfriend. Don't touch her. She's mine.
Can she take the helmet off?
No! Don't take the helmet off. It's my favorite.
I don't want to be here, but they won't let me leave.
She's my favorite. Oh, I like petting her.
What's your favorite thing to do with your girlfriend?
I like it when she has sex with me because it's my favorite. But I only like it when she has bologna when she has sex with me because bologna's good.
Stop talking.
What?
My family has internet.
Internet? Internet's cool. I watch the cartoons on the internet sometimes.
What kind of cartoons?
The good ones. Like Cat and Dog and the Beavis and Butthead, and then they have naked princesses on there. They're my favorite. Anyways. Stop. Stop. Sorry.
Do you have any thoughts on your boyfriend?
She's my good one.
Are you guys gonna get married?
Yes, in like 3 days.
He's gonna buy me a scorpion ring.
It's the scorpion ring for my special sweetheart.
Anything else to say?
Cats and stuff.
Why do you make her wear the hat?
Huh? Because it's my favorite.
Take it off, Shannon.
Don't touch it. It's my favorite.
What would you do if I touched her?
Then I would have to.
I don't want to be here anymore.
No.
I'm taking a